Hey guys, welcome back to the rebar build. So we have got everything back from the powder coatings and the jerry can holder inside. So we go away in about, not tomorrow, the day after. So we've got a very short time. We're going to smash it out and get it done, well, majority of it done. So yeah, we're going to start by pulling off that old rear bar and now we'll get all the new one assembled and on the car. So let's get into it.
Looks like there's rain up ahead, like there's a crack in the heavens. Feels like my day could be turning, like I can tell that my luck's gonna change. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby.
So we got the bar all on. Now let's get all the lights on.
Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Looks like the tables have turned, like there's a change in the weather. Feels like my time is returning, like I'm about to get out of this cage. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees Looks like I'm on my knees again. 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 Looks like I'm.
So quickly off camera, we quickly whacked that on and then also drilled some holes and we got the hook all painted and it's just drying at the moment in the black. So that's all drying at the moment, but we're quickly going to whack the jerry can holder on to that side, and we've also just got some black sealant that we will put around these holes so it does not let water in and it will dry nice and quick for us. So yeah, we'll quickly smash that out and we'll get that sorted.
Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again.
that's the rear bar all done. So we just gotta order 2 new things. We'll order a new little hook for down there, which is no big deal. And then also a new dust cap. This one got absolutely stuffed when we tried to put it in. So nothing fault there, but we're a new one. So yeah guys, that is now the last part of building a custom rear bar for our GQ Patrol. So that's it all finished up. A little sneak peek of what's to come next with the GQ build. But yeah, turned out sick. I'm happy with it. There's nothing like it on the market that, you know, for non-quarter chop, because, you know, I don't really want to do the quarter chop. But yeah, got those bars there to just support that back bit in case we ever hit anything down there. You know, it's not going to do any panel damage there. So got the jerry can holder and also the tire holder, so takes the strain off the back door with the tire, so it's not on the back door anymore, so it doesn't have a chance to crack the window or anything like that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next few parts of these good videos coming up.